Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired.
Fight.
Skin like chocolate, I la coco. Make she follow me go. Fly away, girl. Nobody will have to know.
Before I put on the actual lashes, I use my Fenty Beauty mascara. All right, and that helps to, like, for me, the mascara helps to like keep my lashes kind of stable, so when I'm applying the falsies over it, my own individual lashes won't be all over the place. I have very curly lashes, so I have to kind of make my lashes straight in order to land the falsies on top of it, okay?
You win.
Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired.
Fight.
CBunny! These are not basic, girl! These are dramatic! I don't know if I'm doing this right. So if you think you're going to be getting some basic lashes, she's stepping it up a notch. She's giving you some dramatic lashes, you guys.
Knockout. You win.
I'm getting kind of excited. Like, wait a minute. Okay. Take the tweezers.
Fight.
Take your mascara. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I'll be right back so you can see the whole look. You guys, I can't wait to see the whole look. I've never worn lashes this dramatic. Okay, I gotta do the rest of my makeup. I have to do the rest of my makeup. I'll be right back, okay?
You win.
Choose your fighter.
Lazy inspired.
Fight.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Everyone, let's do a quick checklist. Make sure that you like the video down below, all right? Make sure that you comment, all right? And let me know your thoughts on this particular video. Okay, so today I am bringing you dramatics. I'm bringing you lashes, okay? I'm bringing you lashes. I have never worn these type of lashes before, you guys. These dramatic lashes, okay? I got them from a small black-owned company called CBunny Beauty, all right? And she sells lashes, she sells hair accessories, and I'm sure she's gonna be selling many more other items. Newly launched company, and so I had to support, of course. You know how I am about my black-owned businesses. I have to give them some shout out. I have to give them some love. So I decided to get 3 pair of lashes, okay? She sells all types of lashes. The ones that I got were the Bunny Basics, okay? And so if you know anything about me, you guys, if you have been following my channel for a minute and you've been watching my videos, you know that I don't wear eyelashes for the most part. You know, I don't wear falsies. I've been doing them lately, like in the last maybe 6 months or so, but the ones that I wear pretty much look like this. But I've never worn lashes that look like I mean, okay, so I wanted the basic bunnies, the Bunny Basics, because I was like, look, I don't wear dramatic lashes, so I want to start off like slow, you know, just kind of easing my way into it. This is not easing my way into it, you guys. This is like, ow. I'm liking the look. I wanted the lashes to speak for itself. So I decided to pair it with a very neutral eye and a bold lip. I ordered 3 eyelashes, okay? 3 sets of eyelashes. They're really dramatic for me, you guys. They're really dramatic for me. But it's a good thing for me to step out of my comfort zone because, you know, not everything is always, you know, Ardell Wispies or Ardell Naturals. That's pretty much what I'm used to, is Ardell Naturals. So in this video, you guys, I of course always struggle with putting on my eyelashes. I think I did pretty well applying this. I mean, what do you think? I'm gonna leave all of the information down below for CBunny Beauty. So the Bunny Basic lashes are $10, so they're extremely affordable. All right, they're mink lashes, and yeah, these are lashes that you can reuse over and over again, and I know that's probably what I'm going to do. I have enough for a while for me, all right, for me. So if you are interested in some affordable mink lashes that are check her out, you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will talk to you in another video. All right, take care.